Time to attach On Air. So I'm round the back of the model, set, and the wire comes off from the top, and then you'll notice that this light, if you have it running straight to the back, will pop out. So you can fold these lights over really carefully so that the joints don't break. Pop that light through and then butterfly it out. And you can do the same with another light. And I'm going to poke this one through a little bit further and then butterfly out. And then finally one more light that I'm going to pop in and then butterfly out. And I'm going to use electrical tape, or I'm using just sticky tape for this one. Pop that through. Seal it in place. You can have the light switch running down to the side now so that you can turn the model on and off. And then we need to attach this on air. So I'm going to turn back round. I'm going to turn the model to this position, flat. I'm just going to move you so that you can see more clearly that I've got light bulbs here and here that I'm folding into place, taking up this space. And it's worthwhile to stick this down flat. This needs to sit on top like that. So I'm just going to put some glue around the edges of the On Air sign, making sure that, again, you make sure that you stick it the right way around. Genuine information there. Pop it over the top. Make sure it's lined up with the mortarwork or the brickwork, and then put something heavy on top. So I'm actually going to use my sellotape dispenser because it's weighted. I'll pop it down there and leave that to dry.